old radiators here, about 20 years old, so not the mega old ones, but you can see the rust that goes on in them there, and that's on the outside. So if you can imagine what's on the inside, and believe it or not, that rust inside the radiators destroy the boiler. So if you've got a decent boiler but really old radiators and you've got any rust spots like that, you need to replace your radiators. New modern radiator, nice new valve, thermostatic radiator valve, no rust, very efficient. So this radiator is suffering from corrosion. This one's not mega old, it's probably a 15-year-old radiator. You can just see there where it's been leaking, and then you go down there and look at all the rust just there. So that one is destroying the system with the rust.